a lifted, toned and glowing face without Botox or fillers? Then today's face yoga session is all you need. See, this is a full face routine which is designed to tone every area of the face and release the built up tension. Perfect for that fresh look. So what are we going to do today? We'll start with a 1-minute face massage using Kumkumadi oil, working from the forehead to the jawline to wake up the skin, boost circulation and prep for the exercises that will come. Then we tap the entire face to release tension, improve blood flow for a natural glow. See, perfect for reducing puffiness and tightness in the skin. And then what do we do in the main face yoga flow? We are focusing on lifting and toning the entire face, using moves to smoothen the forehead lines, lift cheeks and firm up the jawline, giving you a nice, refreshed and glowing look. And we will seal this sequence with a very nice secret pranayam routine, a calming breath work to release facial tension, lower stress hormones and let your natural glow shine from the inside. To finish, we finish this relaxation with a full face massage followed by a clapping sequence, a gentle clap sequence to ground the energy and lift our spirits like children. And as we move through this face yoga sequence, let the background music, which is the Indian classical music created by musicians from Sahaj Yoga, experienced teachers with decades of healing experience, calm your mind. This music is scientifically proven to calm the mind and create a natural glow because of the relaxation it causes. So stay with us till the end because there is a special beauty surprise for those who stay till the end of this class. You know what? We go live every single day on YouTube with these free face yoga sessions. So make sure to subscribe and join every day. Daily habits make all the difference. See the difference in 21 days itself. Alright, so ready to tone? If you are ready, type tone, T-O-N-E in the comment section and let's see how many people are ready for toning. Alright, on your mat now, take a deep breath. Okay, so let us prep the skin for the face yoga that's about to come. We'll use a nice certified organic chemical free toner just to prep the skin, to just make it a little moist so that when we put 1 drop of this Kumkumadi oil, which is great for skin brightening, for pigmentation, for there are like 1,000 good uses of pure Kumkumadi oil. If I name all of them, it will be too much, but just massage it on this damp skin. See, when you make the skin a little bit damp, then oil absorption becomes so much easier. Many people say that we apply oil on the skin, even on the body, and they don't like the sticky feeling. Why? Because you apply it on dry skin. See, after shower, when the skin is a little damp, that is the right time to apply oil, not like on a dry skin. So keep the skin a little damp, which is what I did using this toner, and then you apply the oil. Then you will see it absorbs in the next like 2-5 minutes. Now just warm up your hands, put it on the face. Breathe deep. Okay, let's begin with tapping. We are going to slap the face, okay, and try to make a balloon and resist it. Yeah, so let's slap the face. बहुत गलतियां करी हैं, कर लो. Very bad, Priyanka. Make sure you feel the heat that is getting generated. Under the eyes, go slow. Okay? Now we do pinch. Like little, not much. Make sure your nails are not hurting your skin. If you have very long nails, then continue with the tapping only. Move on to the hands as well. Come to the hands. Shake it. Shake, shake, shake. Take a deep breath. Alright, so first we are going to do balloon moving each sides. So we fill the cheeks with air like we are inflating a balloon, and then we are shifting the air from this side to this side. So we are going to move it like this, and then we are going to do like 1 minute clockwise movements and 1 minute anti-clockwise. So this is really good for strengthening the cheek muscles and improving facial symmetry. So both sides look same, once we do these exercises. Okay, let's start. So 1 minute, we are going to do clockwise movements and 1 minute anti-clockwise. Okay, let's start. Deep breath. Keep moving your eyes as you move this balloon in this area. So balloon is making a circle and your eyes are also making a circle. Alright, so now we will do anti-clockwise. Again for 1 minute we are going to do anti-clockwise. The balloon is moving like this and your eyes are also moving like this. Okay? As you do these exercises, make sure to keep your forehead and rest of the muscles relaxed. We are only working on the muscles and focusing on the muscles which are getting used, and rest of the muscles we try to keep as relaxed as possible. Okay, before exercise number 2, let's take a deep breath. Okay, the second one is pressure exercise. What do? We place both the palms firmly against the cheeks, and then against this pressure we try to smile. Okay, so inhale, hold, exhale like this, and we are going to repeat it 5 times. This is very good for cheek muscles and it increases resistance based strength in the cheeks. Okay, so we are resisting. Now try to smile. Relax. We do it 5 times. Okay, resist, So we are pushing the palms, try to smile against that resistance and then relax. Two more times. Last time. Normalize your breath before we move to the exercise number 3, which is O hold. So we are going to form a O with the lips and hold it. And we engage the cheeks and the jaw muscles without putting any pressure on the forehead. Alright? And when we hold O, we are going to hold it for 1 minute, and you are going to do, so your eyes will be like this in this Shambhavi Mudra. Okay? So mouth is in the shape of a O, eyes in Shambhavi Mudra for full 1 minute. So Shambhavi Mudra, I'll just show you how to do it. You do the eyes like this. So you are looking at the third eye with both the eyes like this. Okay? So we make a O, eyes in Shambhavi Mudra, 1 minute hold we are going to do. Okay, let's start. So try to be as steady in all these exercises as possible, because when we are engaging our eyes along with the mouth movements, so these exercises are building a lot of our brain strength as well. So these are not just facial exercises, a lot of them are also brain exercises, because what are eyes? Eyes is just one part of the brain which is coming out. So when we are doing exercises with eyes, with tongues, you are moving different parts of the brain as well. So even they are getting worked in all these exercises. Deep breath. Now we are going to do one side balloon hold. So you fill one cheek with hair and hold it for 10 seconds. And then we switch to the other side. Hold for 10 seconds. Switch to this side. Hold for 10 seconds. And we continue to do that for 1 full minute. So what does it do? It really enhances cheek definition and muscle control. So we become our brain becomes very conscious of all the muscles which are there in this area. Okay, let's start. For full 1 minute, 10 second, 10 second, 10 second, 10 second. Okay? Deep breath. So now the next one is with weight balloon exercise. We inflate both the cheeks and then we are pressing it lightly with our hands for added resistance. And we try to hold the pressure for as long as we can. Then once the balloon deflates, you make it again, and we do it continuously for 1 full minute. Okay, this really again is very good for cheek muscles and improving strength and firmness in this face. Okay, let's start. You keep on pressing it on different areas. So start from the top, then outer areas, lower area. You will see you have more strength in some areas compared to rest of the areas. Wherever you feel you have less strength, focus more on that area. All right. Deep breath.
अब हम डीप रिलैक्सेशन की तरफ ले जाने वाले प्राणायाम की चर्चा करेंगे, जिसमें सबसे पहले नाम आता है अनुलोम विलोम प्राणायाम का, जिसको हम नाड़ी शोधन प्राणायाम के नाम से भी जानते हैं। इसमें क्या करते हैं कि हाथ राइट हो या लेफ्ट, इसकी जो अंगूठे के बाद की जो 2 उंगली है उसको आज्ञा चक्र पर, कमांडिंग चक्र पर रखते हैं और फिर लेफ्ट से सांस लेते हैं। माना कि 5 सेकंड सांस लेने में हमने लगाया, तो दोनों नॉस्ट्रिल बंद करके 10 सेकंड तक उसको रोकेंगे और फिर दूसरे साइड के नॉस्ट्रिल से 10 सेकंड छोड़ेंगे। यानी 1:2:2, 1:2:2 का रेशियो चलता है। 5 सेकंड लिया तो 10 सेकंड रोका, 10 सेकंड छोड़ने में लगाया। तो इस तरह से लेफ्ट से लेंगे, दोनों नॉस्ट्रिल को बंद करेंगे, रुकेंगे, फिर उस सांस को राइट नॉस्ट्रिल में छोड़ेंगे, फिर राइट से लेंगे, फिर दोनों नॉस्ट्रिल को बंद करेंगे, उसी रेशियो में रुकेंगे और फिर लेफ्ट से छोड़ेंगे। इस क्रिया को हम 10 बार करते हैं।
So I will move my hand like this. This means inhaling, this means holding, and then this means exhaling. So we'll do like that.
नाड़ी शोधन प्राणायाम का सबसे बड़ा फायदा क्या है कि ये हमें डीप रिलैक्सेशन मीन्स असीम शांतता की तरफ, पीस की तरफ ले जाती है। हर तरह के मन में उठने वाले विचार तरंगों को समाप्त करके मन स्थिति को बिल्कुल शांतता अवस्था में लेके जाती है, जिससे हमारी नीर-क्षीर बुद्धि का विकास होता है। एक बार मैं फिर टेक्निक समझा देता हूं। जैसे कि 5 सेकंड लिया तो 10 सेकंड रोकेंगे दोनों नॉस्ट्रिल बंद करके और 10 सेकंड दूसरे नॉस्ट्रिल से छोड़ने में लगाएंगे। मान लिया कि किसी का 6 है लेने की कैपेसिटी, तो 6 लेंगे और 12 रोकेंगे 12 सेकंड और फिर 12 सेकंड छोड़ने में लगाएंगे। इस तरह से रेशियो आप अपनी क्षमता के हिसाब से बना लीजिए, लेकिन ध्यान रहे कि छोड़ने के समय में हमारा रेशियो गड़बड़ नहीं होना चाहिए, इसलिए कम से शुरुआत करना ज़्यादा अच्छा होता है। कम सेकंड में रुकिए और फिर धीरे धीरे करके उसको, अगर आप टाइमिंग को बढ़ाते हैं तो उसका फायदा आपको मिलता है। नाड़ी शोधन प्राणायाम, हमारे शरीर में 72,000 नाड़ियां हैं जिनको ये प्यूरिफाई करती है। यानी प्राणिक एनर्जी के जो ब्लॉकेज हैं शरीर में, यानी हमारी जो एनर्जी का प्रवाह है, रोटेशन है, उसके मार्ग में जो ऑब्स्टेकल आते हैं उनको ये दूर करती है। वो ब्लड के माध्यम से, क्लॉटिंग के माध्यम से आते हों या भावनात्मक स्तर पे आते हों वो सबको दूर करते हुए हमारे मन को असीम शांतता क्षेत्र की तरफ ले जाती है। ध्यान रहे, यह प्राणायाम बहुत ही धीमी गति से किया जाने वाला प्राणायाम है। इस प्राणायाम को आप बहुत ही धीमा और स्लो गति से करें। 5 सेकंड लेने में लगाएंगे तो 10 सेकंड दोनों नोस्ट्रिल को बंद करके रुकेंगे, फिर 10 सेकंड छोड़ने में लगाएंगे। यही क्रिया को जब वापस लौटेंगे तो दूसरे नोस्ट्रिल से भी हम करते हैं। इस तरह से हम इस प्राणायाम की 10 आवृत्ति 10 राउंड को करते हैं। भ्रम की जो स्थिति होती है, इल्यूजन की अवस्था जो होती है, मन की एक बहुत ही खतरनाक अवस्था है। अधिकांश लोग इल्यूजन की वजह से सही डिसीजन नहीं ले पाते हैं और कभी कभी लाइफ में गलत डिसीजन ले लेते हैं, जिसका खामियाजा उनको जीवन भर भुगतना पड़ता है। यह प्राणायाम, नाड़ी शोधन प्राणायाम, मन की उस अवस्था को, उस कठिनाई को, उस समस्या को दूर करती है, भ्रम को हटाकर और प्रकाश का उदय करती है, यानी लाइटनिंग करती है। और उस लाइटनिंग में आपकी जो विवेक है, इंटेलेक्ट है, वो प्रखर होती है, तेज होती है। अब हम इसके बाद दूसरे प्राणायाम की चर्चा करेंगे, जिसको हम भ्रामरी प्राणायाम के नाम से जानते हैं। भ्रामरी प्राणायाम के कई वेरिएशन हैं, जिसमें नॉर्मल एक वेरिएशन हम आज लेते हैं आपको। दोनों अंगूठे से, दोनों हाथ को ऐसे करेंगे और कान को अंगूठे से बंद कर लेंगे। इसके बाद दूसरी और तीसरी उंगली को आंख के भौं के ऊपर रखेंगे और चौथी उंगली को हम जब साउंड निकालते हैं नाक से, उस समय, मुंह से, उस समय हम हाथ बंद करते हैं। पहले दोनों नाक से गहरी सांस लेंगे, फिर हमिंग करते हैं। सिंगिंग में जो हमिंग करते हैं, हमिंग करते हुए दोनों नोस्ट्रिल को चौथी उंगली से, फोर्थ फिंगर से हाफ दबाते हैं तो आवाज हमिंग की आती है। इस तरह से इस प्राणायाम को हम मिनिमम 5 टाइम, मैक्सिमम 10 टाइम करते हैं। 10 बार इस अभ्यास को कीजिए। जिन लोगों की कम सुनने की समस्या है, जिनकी मेमोरी पावर डिक्रीज हो रही है, मतलब मेमोरी पावर खत्म हो रही है, स्मरण शक्ति नहीं बढ़ पा रही है, उनके लिए अभ्यास काफी अच्छा माना जाता है।
इसकी आप एक बार साउंड भी अच्छे से सुन लीजिए, सो दैट एवरीवन इज क्लियर। सो thumbs on the ear, then like this.
साउंड को ध्यान से सुनिए। साउंड का इस ढंग से उत्पन्न होना जब आप अभ्यास कर रहे हैं बहुत जरूरी है। साउंड प्रोड्यूस ऐसे ही होना चाहिए। यह प्राणायाम मानसिक शांतता को भी बढ़ावा देता है। डीप रिलैक्सेशन के साथ साथ आपके वॉइस को भी, आपकी आवाज को भी मधुर बनाता है। अब हम 10 बार ओम चैंटिंग करेंगे। इसको भी एक प्राणायाम, प्रणव प्राणायाम के नाम से जानते हैं। फिर गहरी सांस। कुछ देर के लिए बिल्कुल डीप मेंटल पीस की तरफ बढ़े, आंख बंद करके अनुभव कीजिए कि मेरा मन असीम शांतता के क्षेत्र में प्रवेश करते जा रहा है। मेरे मन में उठने वाले तमाम प्रकार के विचार, भावनाएं जो हमें परेशान करती है, अब वो नहीं है। अब सिर्फ मैं, मेरी चेतना और मेरे श्वास प्रश्वास की ध्वनि, यही है। और इन्हीं के बीच में मेरी चेतना निवास करती है।
So now we begin face massage. Before beginning, let me tell you which are the important points where we have to press during massage. So this is one, like here. Then you have this here, like this, with the ring finger, this point, like this area. Then here, these 2 points, this, here, these two, okay. Middle of the ear, both sides, this, and finally this point here, okay. So these points you have to make sure, and while doing massage you will see that we have to press these points. So one, this, here, these two here, middle of the ear here, and then here, okay. So let's start the massage. This is going to be a 3-minute massage, and we are going to do a combination of aromatherapy, sound therapy, and massage therapy. When you press these points, you are doing Mamra therapy using your fingers. Then if you are using pure chemical free oil which has got like natural aroma of rose, like for example I am using Kumkumadi oil, These are naturally good, and especially when you use them in a combination with massage therapy and sound therapy, they will do wonders. So aromatherapy, massage therapy and sound therapy. So for the next 3 minutes, we are going to do this massage, focus on the sound and keep on pressing these points using a pure chemical free oil. See, we can't be doing all these things with chemicals. Okay, so I take few drops of oil, apply it on the face and start the massage. Alright, make sure to rub your hands as well. So now we are going to begin the clapping sequence. Make sure when we do this sequence for 3 minutes, your focus should be on the music, because that's a healing music that is playing, and on that beat we clap. And also see what all is happening in the hand. Make sure when you clap, you are actually pressing all the points, because the nervous system lives on the hands and we have to activate all the acupressure points, the nervous system, the energy that is stored here but not moving. So this clapping will stimulate the entire body. So let us begin the clapping sequence for 3 minutes. Make sure the full hand is getting stimulated. Feel it on the full palm. Now feel these vibrations on the palm. Put it on your face. So this is the healing energy for your face, for your neck, and for your entire body. I hope you loved today's face yoga routine. But if you want to go deep beyond face yoga, then this is for you. At UVAP, we believe everybody is unique, which means your nutrition, movement, relaxation, and detox plan should be entirely yours too. And that's why we offer personalized wellness program, a program that is tailored exactly to your lifestyle, your body type, your goal, and your energy levels. See, because real results come from routines that fit you and which are completely personalized for you. So you can check the link below to get started with the plan, and I will see you on the inside. Bye bye.
Sare ga ma pa dha da ni pa ma pa dha ni sa da ni pa ni ma pa ga ma re sa ta na de to. प ध नि प सा ध नि थ रे ग म रे स ध नि प सा ध नि प ग म रे स त न न ध ध तो ता